Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. Today's going to be another what's new in beauty video. I'm going to go over most of what I know of the new products that's out. Am I going to get them? We shall see. So as we move along, comment down below. Let me know if you've gotten any of these items or if you plan on getting them. Which one of these items are you most excited to try? Every single thing that I mentioned today will be linked down below in the description box. If it's not out yet, I will put the release date by it. So be sure to check out the description box. First up is a new brand called Polite Society. Now it may have been out a while. Comment down below if you know or not, but it's new to Ulta. I've never heard of it. They do have look like some foundations, blushes, highlighters, and look like some lip products and mascaras. So I'm not sure. Comment down below if you've used this before. What do you think about the quality? This may be something that I pick up just to sort of let you guys see how these products perform. And it also looks like they're super inclusive. I see some super deep shades, so that makes me excited to try it. So this is gonna probably be something I pick up. The Lancome Care and Glow foundation is one of my favorites. I love how it gives you that yummy skin look. Well, they're coming out with a concealer. They've already released it in Europe, I want to say. So that means it's going to be coming real soon. That is going to be a definite yes. I'm definitely going to pick that one up. The viral Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the color Hot Chocolate, it was super popular over the past year or so, has launched a new one. It's called Hot Chocolate Fantasy. Now this is probably one that I won't be picking up because I still have hot chocolate quite a bit in there, and the Fantasy doesn't look like it's too far off. It does seem as if it has more glitter reflex in it, so because of that I think I'll stick with my regular hot chocolate. I don't think I'll be picking that one up. Milk Makeup is releasing some new talc free powders. It does come in 4 different shades, a couple of light shades and a couple of deeper shades. It does launch on Sephora on September 2nd, so this is one that I will be picking up. Valentino Donna Born in Roma, y'all, that is a beautiful scent. I will say it may not be for everybody, but it's beautiful. You can click on that link right there to check out the review I have of that. It's on the intense version, but I do touch on the regular version. They have a beautiful pink bottle that launched in Europe already, which means it's probably going to get here really soon, probably super soon. Now I'm not sure if it's going to be a completely different scent like a flanker of Donna Born in Roma, or is it going to just be a pink bottle. Either way, it's a yes for me. Patrick Ta is launching a matte eyeshadow palette that has all the neutral shades and the dark shades that you need to complete a matte look. I don't think I'll be picking this up, although I'm sure it's a great palette just because I have so many of those shades, and I recently picked up some e.l.f. palettes with some of those shades in it as well, so I'll be passing on the Patrick Ta palette. Rim Beauty is launching a new foundation in Ulta. Super inclusive, y'all. They have 60 shades to choose from, so they will definitely have a shade for you. I'm definitely picking this up, and it retails for $35, y'all. Super inexpensive. This is another one of those skincare hybrid foundations as well. I feel like every brand is slowly rolling out a skincare hybrid foundation. Sol de Janeiro launched an after hours body mist spray similar to their other ones, but this is supposed to be like a moodier one, I want to say. It does have notes of black currant, midnight jasmine, and amber, so it's probably a deep moody one. I'm not a super fan of the Sol de Janeiro. For me, it sort of gives Bath and Body Works. Even though I love Bath and Body Works, I would just prefer to pay the Bath and Body Works price, you know. The I Need a Nude palette from Natasha Denona launched, and I feel like it's been going crazy on social media. Everybody's been talking about it. It has 15 neutral shades that I feel like you could have a shade for any occasion in that palette, and it retails for $69. Although the shades look gorgeous, these are all shades that I do have in plenty of other palettes, so I'll be passing on it. NARS is launching a Power Matte pencil. This is supposed to be a long wearing pencil that comes in 10 different shades. It launches on September 1st, so I may pick up one of them. Patrick Ta's blush duos have have launched in some new fall shades. They look pretty deep. This is probably something that I won't buy, only because it takes me so super long to use blushes, and I tend to gravitate towards more lighter color blushes. I don't really do the deep, dark, sultry blushes. That's not really my vibe, so I'll be passing on those blushes, although they do look beautiful. Makeup by Ariell launched some new concealers. I did test it out in the store. They do have 22 shades to choose from. When I swatched it on my hand, it almost instantly dried, so it's supposed to be like self-setting. I'll link a video right here, or I may put the video in the description box of one of the socialites who did a review of the concealer, because I'm not gonna buy it. It just dried super instant and looked matte, and I don't know how I feel about it. It didn't really wow me, so I won't be picking that one up. Coach launched a new fragrance, you guys. It's called Coach Love. It does have notes of wild strawberry, red velvet, rose, and cedarwood. That sounds so different from anything that Coach has ever released. Their fragrances, surprisingly, if you guys haven't gotten your noses on Coach fragrances, they are always super beautiful. So not sure if I'll get it, but because these notes seem so unique, I definitely want to get my nose on it. I'll keep you guys posted. Ariana Grande released a new fragrance. You all probably know all about it, which is the Cloud Pink fragrance. So I did test it out in Ulta when I got the new Gucci fragrance. You guys, it's so beautiful. It smells just like Baccarat Rouge, the extrait version. I own it, so when I sprayed it, I was like, wow. So I won't be picking it up because obviously I do have the Baccarat 540, and so I don't feel the need to get one that smells just like it. The regular Cloud, I have that too. I got that years ago. I gave it to my daughter, but it does smell like Baccarat, but it smells like a sort of a cheaper, screechier version. So with the Cloud Pink, I feel like they got it right. It's a lot smoother, more refined. It's a closer match to the real thing. I feel like if somebody has that on in Baccarat, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference, you guys. It's just that close. It's beautiful. I sprayed it in the air in the store, and apparently when I sprayed it in the air, it must have got on my clothes because I could still smell it for the whole entire night, whatever landed on me. Beautiful. Bath and Body Works has launched some fragrance detergents, y'all. Can you believe it? They came out for a limited time, instantly sold out. They're supposed to release them again at the end of the month, so fingers crossed on those. So the scents that they have in it is 1,000 Wishes, Cozy Cashmere, Lavender Vanilla, Sun-Drenched Linen, and Mahogany Teak Wood. So those would be the scents in the detergent that they have. So if I'm able to get my hands on it, I at least want to try one or two. Glowish, y'all. Huda Beauty's Glowish line came out with a Super Jelly Lip Balm. It retails for $21. I'm not sure if I'll get that or not, so I'm going to test it in the store first and let you guys know my thoughts. I think we talked about this in the last What's New in Beauty video, the fact that Charlotte Tilbury has a jumbo airbrush flawless finish spray that comes with 200 ml in there. Y'all, it's huge, and I only have a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury left. I've been on the LYS bandwagon. Their setting spray is really good, y'all. I love it. But the big 200 ml, I think that's gonna be a yes. I'll be picking it up because I'm pretty much out of mine. I did want to wait until the Sephora sale, but I don't know if they're gonna still have it out by then. That's the only thing. It's limited edition, and I feel like if I wait till then, they're not gonna have it anymore. Makeup Forever has a new HD Skin Under Eye Concealer. I'm gonna pass on this one. I'm pretty sure it's good. Makeup Forever has great quality makeup, but I have so many new concealers right now, I think I'm gonna pass on that one. Gucci Flora has a new fragrance called Gorgeous Magnolia, and it's beautiful, y'all. It's absolutely gorgeous. I picked it up in the travel size. I'm actually wearing it now. It's a sweet, beautiful, fruity, floral fragrance, and it gives clean on the skin as well. Perfect for summer and spring. YSL Libre launched another fragrance. You guys, I'm obsessed with the YSL Libre line. I had all three of them, the previous ones, and they all smell amazing to me. But they have a new one called YSL Libre La Absolute. And so I went to Macy's and I smelled it. You guys, it is most definitely not for me. It's like I don't know how to even describe it. It smells nothing like the other ones that have previously come out. Smells slightly masculine to me as well. And there's a really sharp note in there that's almost a little cringy to my stomach, and that one's just a no for me. So that's it for this trying new makeup video. If there's anything that you've tried in today's video that I spoke about, comment down below, let me know your thoughts on it, because oftentimes I look in the comments to try to figure out what I may try, what's worth it or not. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. I would love for you to come back, join the family, catch up on some of my old videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the sky.